Two people, same income, same $42,000 in debt, but one smart decision quietly kept one of them broke for years. And the crazy part? Most people would choose that same decision, thinking it's the right move. Meet Jake and Marcus. Same age, same job, same starting point. But one choice changed their entire financial future. Jake did something most people ignore. He didn't invest. Instead, he focused on one thing: getting out of debt. Smallest balance to largest.
Like a snowball, Marcus did the opposite. He paid the minimum and invested the rest. Because logically, if the market returns around 10% and his debt costs 7%, he should come out ahead, right? That's what the math says. But here's the problem. Life doesn't follow spreadsheets. Because Jake wasn't just paying off debt. He was building momentum. Every balance he cleared felt like progress. Less stress, more control, more confidence. And that kept him going.
Marcus? At first, he felt ahead. His investments were growing. His numbers looked better. It felt like he made the smarter move. But then, the market dropped. And just like that, his gains disappeared. But his debt? Still there. Interest kept growing. Now, he was stuck. Because every month, he was fighting two battles: debt and uncertainty. And that pressure, it changes how you think. You hesitate, you second guess, you panic. Jake never had to deal with that. He stayed focused. One goal, one direction. And eventually, he won. 2 years later, Marcus was still making payments, still waiting for the market to recover, still stuck in the same cycle. Jake? Debt-free. And that's when everything changed. Because the money Jake was using to pay debt didn't disappear. He redirected it into investing. But now, there was no pressure, no interest working against him, no stress, just growth. And over time, that difference became massive. Not because Jake was smarter, but because his strategy worked with his behavior. And that's what most people miss. Winning with money isn't about choosing what's mathematically perfect. It's about choosing what you can stick to. Because people don't fail because they're bad at math. They fail because they're human. They get scared. They get impatient. They quit too early. And that's why simple strategies win. Not because they're perfect, but because they actually get followed. So if you're trying to build real wealth, don't just ask, what's the smartest move? Ask yourself, what can I stay consistent with for years? Because in the end, it's not the strategy that makes you rich. It's the consistency behind it.